How to fix Pixel Buds A series case not charging. So one of the first things you can do is to check the USB-C cable and its power source. So plug the case into power using a USB-A to USB-C cable, or you can try a different wall adapter, USB port, or is it similar to make sure the problem is not the charger. You can also go ahead and clean the charging port and contacts. Use a dry or soft lint-free cloth to clean the magnetic contacts inside the case on the earbuds. Also check the USB-C port for dust or debris, and do not use a liquid cleaner. Third, you can reseat the earbuds inside the case and place the left and right earbuds into the correct magnetized pockets and press them down gently so the pins connect properly. You should be able to hear some sort of click from the magnets itself. Finally, just leave the case charging for 30 minutes. So keep the case plugged in for at least that amount of time before testing again, since it is recommended allowing Pixel Buds to charge for around that time to attempt to repair if charging is not working. So those are a few things you can try if your Pixel Buds are not charging. So hopefully one of these can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.